Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Mommy's Time. I'm so glad you're here today because what we are talking about might change your life. Let me ask you something. What's that one dream that keeps coming back to you? That goal you think about when you're alone. Maybe it feels too big or too far away. Maybe it's starting your own business or owning your own house, becoming financially free, or just proving yourself that you can do something great. We all have that dream. But the real question is, how do we turn that dream into reality? Today we are diving into one of the most powerful books ever written on this topic, which is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The book is not about money, it's about mindset, ambition, and action. Thoughts are most powerful things. They are real forces. They shape your reality. Imagine your mind as a garden. अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूं तो सोच एक बीज की तरह है. जैसे बीज बोए जाते हैं वैसे ही सोच उगती है. If you plant seeds of confidence and positivity, you will grow success. But if you let doubt and fear settle in, weeds will take over. So ask yourself, what am I feeding my mind every day? Burning desire. Success doesn't come from just wishing or hoping. It starts with a burning desire. हर इंसान में एक burning desire होता है. A fire in your heart. Not like मुझे successful बनना है. That's too vague. You need to define exactly what you want. தமிழில் சொல்லணும்னா உனக்கு என்ன வேணும்னு உனக்கு சரியாக தெரியணும். அப்போ தான் அதை அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியும். If I want to earn this money, if I want to own a house, by when? Want to launch a fashion brand? Visualize it, write it down and feel it. Unshakable faith. Now, desire is powerful, but without belief, it's like trying to drive a car without a fuel. Not just about religious faith, but belief in yourself. This is most important than anything. You have to act like you have already succeeded. Repeat your goals daily. Use affirmations. For example, every morning say, मैं अपने सपनों को पूरा करने जा रही हूँ. मुझ में पूरी क्षमता है. And it works wonder for your mindset. Clear plan and action. You have desire, you have belief. Now comes planning and taking action. Break your big dream into small steps. Want to start a YouTube channel? First step, pick your niche. Next, plan your content. And most importantly, start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. कल करे सो आज कर. आज करे सो अब. Even if it's messy, imperfect action builds momentum. That's how we grow. Persistence is power. Let's be real. Success is not a straight line. You will fail, you will get tired, you will fall down. And that's when persistence becomes your superpower. The one who succeeded just will not give up. Think of a drop of water carving a rock. Not because of force, but because of consistency. தமிழில் சொல்லணும்னா தண்ணி கல்லையும் உருக்கி விடும். ஆனால் அது நிற்கத்தான் வேணும். Water can shape even stone, but only if it keeps flowing. You got this. Just keep flowing. Mastermind Alliance. Success is not a solo journey. It talks about the mastermind, surrounding yourself with people who inspire and support you. Whether it's a mentor, a supportive friend, a life partner, or a community online, find your tribe. As they say, आप जिन 5 लोगों के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा समय बिताते हो, आप उनसे में एक हो. आप उनका ही एक एवरेज बन जाते हो. Choose those 5 people very wisely. Conquer fear and indecision. Finally, let's talk about two dream killers: fear and indecision. Successful people make decisions quickly and stick to them. Fear of failure, ignore it. Fear of what others will say, ignore that too. Remember, जो लोग कुछ करते हैं उनकी हमेशा चर्चा होती है. You stay focused and achieve what you want. Wrap up. So friends, these are the timeless secrets from Think and Grow Rich Up. Thoughts shape your life, desire fuels your mission, faith builds belief. Most important, planning and action get you moving. Persistence keeps you going. Collaboration lifts you higher. And courage helps you decide and act. These are not just ideas, they are tools. Use them and you can achieve anything in this world. So tell me, which of these principles are you going to start with today? Let's talk in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, keep dreaming big and take bold action. Bye bye. See you again with another awesome video.